Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Jobs in India. In this video we are going to see Wipro System Engineering. I am going to explain completely, so watch the video till end. This is our channel. Just subscribe to my channel and watch our channel daily. You may get all update from internship, interviews, everything you may get it from my channel. So subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon. You may get a daily update and follow my channel completely. I will provide everything. So let's go to the system engineering role. This is all about Wipro System Engineering role, multiple location, Bangalore, India, Chennai, Mumbai, everything they are mentioning. A job description will be excellent communication skill, ability to empathize and create experimental communication. And the main thing will be troubleshooting Windows, Outlook, Terms, Citrix, VDI, VPN, and this all things they are expecting from the student. And another thing, answer incoming call and respond to the customer email, timing manner, manage, resolve customer complaint, provide product and services, customer research requirement, and identify and resolving customers, root call, ticks out to appropriate document when best support here, document all call information according to a standard documentation. And this is almost full of theory they are mentioning in the job description. It is all about system engineering role. So completely from Wipro company you are going to apply in Wipro Worldline page itself. So it is all about the Worldline pages, an English country which is located all over the world. Wipro is located. So they just mentioned the Worldline, which are the places Wipro located. You can see it itself, Asian country, European country, and American countries. Everything they are mentioning here. And you just want to click here and create an account. Otherwise, you can visit the jobs in the LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and email via. So this all the eligible criteria: BE, BTech, BSc, any degree can apply. They didn't mention this is specific, so you can apply any degree. So while applying, if you have any doubt, comment me in the comment section. I will clear your doubt as much quickly and start applying now itself and share to your friends. It will be helpful for you. Pan India job, so don't miss this opportunity. You won't get it once again. So apply as much quickly. Thanks for watching this channel.